Hey everyone! In this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in Discord. There is no way to natively change your voice in Discord, so you'll have to download an app in order to do this. There are several out there, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to use VoiceMod on a Windows PC. VoiceMod is not currently available for macOS, but it's on the way. The first thing you need to do is download and install VoiceMod. It's a very quick and easy process. Once you've done that, the first time you open VoiceMod, you need to tell it what microphone you are using and what headphones you are using. Yours will most likely look different than mine. So I'll select my microphone and then I'll select my headphones. VoiceMod will run a brief test to make sure your mic is working properly. You should be able to hear yourself. Once you confirm your mic is working, select Continue. Then say something once more to confirm VoiceMod is changing your voice and click All Done. You can then select what kind of effect you want to put on your voice by clicking Voice Box on the left-hand side and choosing a sound effect. I'm just going to select Cave. You won't be able to hear it, but in my headphones, I hear dripping water and some cave reverb and a lot of reverb and echo when I talk. If you don't want to hear your voice through VoiceMod, then click the Hear Myself toggle to the off position in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Now, let's set up Discord to receive the VoiceMod effects as an input. Open Discord and click the user settings icon in the lower left-hand side of the screen. Find voice and video and then click it. Under the drop-down menu input device, look for microphone, VoiceMod virtual audio device. Select that as your input device. Then select Let's Check to hear what the VoiceMod sounds like. You may need to adjust some things like input sensitivity for the best results. And that is how you change your voice in Discord. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.